Hey there! Hoodie is a game-changing privacy service that tackles the issues of traditional VPNs. You can assign different locations to individual apps, launch bulletproof browsing containers to avoid fingerprinting, and take advantage of special location modes. Hoodie is much more than that, but in this video, we will focus on the basic features. Download Hoodie app, input your Hoodie key and let's get started. As I've already done those steps, I'll directly open the app. Let me show you. We're going to start with the VPN tab. I want to draw your attention to a really exciting location called Bulletproof Mode. When enabled, it routes each request and resources you load through a different exit IP, making it incredibly difficult for anyone to track your real location. Let's connect to it now. Alright, we are connected. Now, let's open Microsoft Edge and visit a few different IP checker websites to see the effect of Bulletproof. Each website should show that we are in a different location. Let's open them. As you can see, the first tab shows that we are in Mexico. The second website shows that we are in Sydney. Third one think we are in Switzerland. We are in Los Angeles. Bulletproof Location is like using thousands of VPNs at the same time. Now let's go back to the app so I can show you some other mode. Route your entire traffic through Tor if you'd like, or even using your own SOCKS 5 proxy as a VPN. Of course, you can also just access any of the 50 locations offered, like a traditional VPN. Now let's discover the per-app VPN feature. What's pretty great about it is that you can stay connected with the main VPN and route certain apps through different locations. You can manually add apps through the File Explorer or just input a path. Or, you can use the easy option and see all your installed apps directly. Let's add Firefox as an example. Now let's adjust the location mode, just for this app. No protection is really practical as it allows you to bypass the VPN and use your real IP for certain apps. Another cool mode that acts as a firewall is Block. It entirely disable internet, just for a specific app. You can also just choose a specific location. As a test, let's put Firefox in Hong Kong. Alright, let's open Firefox and check our IP. Okay, so Google is in Chinese, but let's be sure. And yes, Firefox is confirmed to be routed through Hong Kong despite having Bulletproof VPN still active for the rest of Windows. Let's exit Firefox and go back to the app. I want to show you the most interesting part: browsing containers. First, let's discover the default provided container. So this container uses Bulletproof as location and Bulletproof for fingerprints, which mean that each website will see you as a different person, as if you were using an entirely different device on each tab. Let's start the container to see it in action. The browser is started. The first page is a summary of your container settings, which is very practical for custom containers. Let's head to the most notorious fingerprint checker website to see what device they think we are using. As you can see, MI Unique shows that we are using macOS with Edge. Now let's check another website to see. Browser leaks now think that we are using Google Chrome on Windows. With bulletproof containers, websites can't easily make a profile about you anymore. Nowadays, if you are only browsing with a VPN, you are taking a major risk. It's essential to containerize your browsing from the rest of your activity. Let's go back to the app and let's make a custom container. You can launch as many containers as you like, each of them customized. Let's start by changing the location of our new container. You have access to all the bulletproof locations. You can even set your own proxy if you wish. Let's set the location to Australia to make it simple. There is also features like running the container as private window, enabling Google services and more. Hoodie offers DNS over HTTPS by default, but we can set our own DNS servers if we wish. Hoodie provides uBlock Origin as an ad blocker, but you can add as many extensions as you like. The last section is for fingerprints, which basically define what kind of device we are using. If you don't like using bulletproof fingerprints, you can just toggle the switch and get fingerprints that will stick on every website. You can also adjust each fingerprint manually if you wish. Let's start our custom container. It should only take a second or two. We can now see in the splash screen that our settings are applied, but you can of course verify it by checking your fingerprints or your IP manually. It should only take a few seconds to load. It's confirmed, we are in Australia, just for this container. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed discovering a small part of what Hoodie provides. While Hoodie is in beta, head to the pricing page and make an anonymous Hoodie key. It's just $65 for an entire year. A really small price for anyone that is serious about privacy. Join our Telegram channel for the latest updates about Hoodie.